everyone, welcome to Cup and Curb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a CSS transition so that instead of having some element like BAM! Instantly change in some way, it'll slowly fade to the change. It'll look and feel nicer. So, to get started, open up your text editor or whatever you prefer to write HTML in. Alright. Now you got that ready. Start with a style tag because this is CSS. Oops, why is caps lock on? I have no idea. I'm horrible at typing this. Style. There we go. Okay. Now I got our style tag. Inside we're going to put H1 and just one little thing. Transition. Did I spell that right? Yes, I did. And for the purposes of this, I'm going to make it 1 second. But really, you can make it as long as you want. Next, I'm going to do H1 colon hover color red. Now, what it's going to do is when you hover it, it's going to slowly fade red. Close that style tag up. We don't need anything more. And next, we're going to go H1 align equals center. Now, you don't actually have to center yours. I'm just centering mine for I can see it better there in the center, yeah? And now we're going to put hello world inside of it, because that's what you always do when you're testing something out. And that's it. Very simple. Now we're going to save it. I'm going to call it transition.html. And I'm going to put it in this folder. Okay. I'm going to X out of my test editor, open up a new tab in Firefox. You can use whatever browser you like. Firefox runs best on my computer most of the time, so I'm using it. I'm going to open up my file manager. Here, make it small. There it is, transition.html. Drag it into Firefox, and X out of this. And there it is. Hello world. Looks perfectly normal, right? Watch this. See that? It fades to red. And I can make the thing slower, too. Like, if I wanted, look, I'm going to make the transition longer. I'm going to make it 5 seconds long so you can really see it. Save. Refresh. Now watch this. Very slowly turns red. And very slowly turns black. Actually looks really cool. I should use that with something. And yeah, that's how you make a CSS transition. It's pretty simple. There are more complicated forms of CSS transitions, so you can have stuff like scoot around the page. This is the most basic thing you can do with CSS transition. So yeah, hopefully you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe!